Today I'm going to do a quick review of this SprayMate Tornado 4-gallon 18-volt battery-powered backpack sprayer. This sprayer is made by the same company that makes the professional grade Flow Zone sprayers that have a bit more bells and whistles. Their SprayMate sprayers are targeted more toward the homeowner and have a bit more basic features. For transparency purposes, they did send this sprayer to me for free to use and review in exchange for this video, but all of my opinions are my own. So I've been using this sprayer for a little over a year now, and from a durability and quality standpoint, I think it is easily one of the best valued 4-gallon battery-powered backpack sprayers on the market for homeowners to consider. Right off the bat, this sprayer is extremely easy to use. It has a large opening to easily pour liquids in without spilling, a toggle switch to spray at either 45 or 60 psi, and the battery can easily be installed and taken out for charging. Additionally, I can spray my 9,000 square foot lawn about 2 to 3 times before needing to charge the battery. I don't know the specific time it takes to recharge the battery, but I've never found this to be a limiting factor since I usually recharge the battery after every use so it's fully charged. I have sprayed some relatively thick mixes out of this sprayer without any problems and have used it to apply fertilizers, fungicides, and herbicides. I did have one faulty hose that started to leak where the threads are on it, but the manufacturer replaced it, no questions asked. All of their sprayers come with a 1-year warranty and their customer service has been very responsive and easy to work with. The SprayMate Tornado is very comparable to their Flow Zone Cyclone sprayer. I was told by the maker of these sprayers that both sprayers have the same size pump and battery with slightly different electronics since the Cyclone has 5 pressure settings versus the Tornado's 2 pressure settings. The differences the Cyclone has are the thicker backpack straps, a variable pressure adjustment, and the wand is metal with a pressure washer style spray gun with quick connect attachments. The Tornado uses an inline spray gun with a carbon fiber wand and threaded nozzles and can only spray at 45 to 60 psi. I have found these pressures to be more than adequate when spraying and often only use the lowest setting. Even though the Tornado's wand is not metal, I still find it to be very strong and sturdy and do not have any concerns with it breaking. One of the great things about the Tornado is that aside from the variable pressure adjustment, it can be upgraded to have many of the same features the Cyclone has if you find that you want those later on, such as the thicker backpack straps, pressure washer style spray gun, and quick connect attachments. I find this to be valuable because not everyone may like or need some of these upgrades, so it allows you to customize it at your own pace and spend the money on what would be most helpful to you. For example, I know the pressure washer style gun has become popular, but I'm more comfortable with the traditional inline spray gun that this SprayMate sprayer comes with and don't find it to be a necessary upgrade. Another reason I like this sprayer so much is because it has a relatively low price point compared to other sprayers on the market and it can be upgraded with ease. So if you're a homeowner not wanting to spend $250+ on a sprayer, or if you're just getting into spraying products on your lawn but still want a quality product, this is a perfect sprayer that will last you for years to come and allow you to upgrade it at your own pace without spending a lot up front. Another invaluable aspect of the sprayer is the customer service that this company provides for its products that is fast and easy to work with. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a backpack sprayer, I think this is a great one to consider. I will leave a link below to SprayMate's website where you can find more specific specs on the sprayer. This link is purely for your convenience. I make no commission off the sale of this product. I also wanted to mention that you can find and purchase this sprayer on Home Depot's website as well. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave any questions or comments you have below, and I'll see you in the next video.